If you are like me, you like to hide the following list on Instagram so that people are not going to see the people that you are following. Now, what you want to do, guys, to do that, the first thing, let me check here. Like one of my friends, whenever I go to their following list, I only see like a few followers, even though they are following 70 people. I only see like 2 followers, 3 followers. Like, I don't see all the list. So these people are doing something on their Instagram account, and that's exactly what I am going to teach you in this video. Now, what you want to do, guys, to do that, now you want to click your profile at the very bottom right here. Sorry. And then after that, you want to click 3 lines in the top right, and you want to click on settings. After you click on settings, you want to click on privacy. Now, a lot of people are going to say, okay, I don't want to make my account private, but it will make sense in a few seconds. These people, they made their account private. People that hide, they made their account private, and even if you are accepted to be in their following list, they accepted you, still you can't see the following list. Like even friends that you have right now, if you make your account private and follow the steps that I'm about to show you right now, you won't be able to see your following list, even your friends that you have on your Instagram account. Now you want to turn this private account. Now, as you can see here, guys, if you want a specific friend to not be able to see your following list, you want to click on that profile of the friend. For example, I don't want this friend to see my following list. It's very easy and simple. You want to click 3 little dots in the top right, and then you want to click restrict this. Okay, in the top it will say restrict. You don't have to block them, by the way. Like, you can just click on restrict and then click dismiss, and that's all what you need to do, guys. So it's very simple and easy, even on people that you have on your